Hi, I'm Nicole from Oakville Physiotherapy, and today we're going to be doing mid-back stretches. Just a quick reminder to consult with your physiotherapist before starting any of these stretches. The first stretch is going to start off with you lying on your back and your knees bent with your hands out in a cross position. You're then going to rotate so that one palm is facing down and your other palm is facing up. Then you're going to bring your knees up so that they're in a 90-degree angle, floating in the air. You're going to slowly start to bend your knees down towards the side that has your palm facing up, like so. Once a stretch is felt in your mid-back area, you're going to hold it for however long the physiotherapist has prescribed you, and then you're going to use your abdominal muscles to bring your knees back up to a neutral position. You're then going to flip your hands so that this hand is facing with your palms up and the other hand's with your palms down. And again, you're going to slowly start to bring your knees down towards the side that has your palm up, facing up. You're going to hold it again for however long the physiotherapist has prescribed you. Once completed, use your abdominal muscles to bring your knees back up to neutral, and then you can relax. The second stretch is going to be completed in an all-four position. You're going to slowly start to bring one arm up, facing up to the ceiling, and then you're going to slowly start to move your hand down towards the ground and through your opposite arm, like so. And then you're going to continue to reach so that your elbow obtains a 90-degree angle, and you're going to continue to look into the opposite side. Once the stretch is felt in your mid-back, you're going to hold it for however long the physiotherapist has prescribed you, and then you're going to return back to neutral position. You're going to repeat this movement with the other arm. So again, you're going to reach your arm up to the sky, slowly start to bring your opposite arm towards the opposite side until your arm is bent in a 90-degree angle, and you're going to hold it for however long the physiotherapist has prescribed you. Make sure that you're looking in the same direction that your arm is traveling the entire time. For this stretch, you're going to start off by sitting in a chair with nice straight posture. You're going to slowly start to turn your body to one side with the mid-back until a stretch is felt. In order to increase this stretch, you can use your hands to grab the back of the chair and slowly start to turn your body even more until a stretch is felt in your middle back. Once it's felt, you can hold it for however long the physiotherapist has recommended. So for the next stretch, you're going to be starting off with your sitting in a chair, nice straight posture. You're then going to slowly start to reach your arm over your body to the opposite side until the stretch is felt in your mid-back. Just like you're getting a pull right and around here. In order to increase the stretch, you can slowly start to round your back and continue to reach out towards the opposite side. Once that stretch is felt, you can hold it for however long the physiotherapist has recommended. And then you're going to perform that stretch on the opposite side. So with your other hand, you're going to slowly start to reach over to the opposite side until a stretch is felt. And then you're going to continue by rounding your back and continue to reach out, making sure that you feel a nice stretch in your mid-back area. Once completed, you can return back to neutral position. The next stretch is going to be completed when sitting in a chair, making sure that you have nice straight posture and looking forward the entire time. You're going to use one hand and bring it up towards the sky and bend it slightly over your head. You're then going to start to bend your torso and your hands towards that one side and ensure that the other arm that is down towards the ground, you're going to try to reach it as far as possible. Once the stretch is felt in your mid-back area, you're going to hold it for however long the physiotherapist has recommended. Just a quick reminder while doing the stretch to not rotate your body forward or backwards. Just make sure that you're nice and straight the entire time. For this stretch, you're going to start off by placing your hands on a table or on a countertop, like so. You're going to slowly start to walk back with your legs so that your arms are nicely extended out in front of your head. Once the stretch is felt in your mid-back area, like in around here, you're going to hold it for however long the physiotherapist has recommended. Once completed that time, you can slowly start to bring your hands towards one side, isolating your mid-back on that one opposite side that you have brought your hands towards. And you're going to hold this for however long the physiotherapist has recommended. Then you can bring your hands to the other side, making sure that you're isolating the opposite side that you've just brought your hands in the direction to. And you're going to hold it for however long the physiotherapist has recommended. Once completed, you can return back to neutral position. You're going to first start the last stretch on your all fours. You're going to slowly start to bend your back up, like in an arch motion, by pushing your hand down into your hands. Once you're in this position, you're going to hold it for the recommended time that the physiotherapist has mentioned, and then you're going to slowly start to bend your bum towards your heels, like so. Once this stretch is felt, you're going to hold it for however long the physiotherapist has recommended. And then lastly, you're going to slowly start to bring your hands forward to maintain an optimal stretch. Again, hold it for the prescribed period of time. Once completed, you can just return back to neutral position.